Hey everybody, I'm here to talk to you about the Renew Retreat, which is February 22nd and 23rd. And I want to answer some of your questions. So, this is the thing. The Renew Retreat is online completely. And yes, it will be recorded. So if you have to run out to do something for part of the day, yes, we'll have the recordings for you and you'll have access to them after the retreat. Can I pay by payments? That was another question. Yes, if you don't want to pay, it's $397, but you can do that over 3 payments if you want to. We have it set up right under the product. You can choose to pay over a 3-month period. And that's just absolutely fine with us. We just want you to come, and you don't pay any more when you pay by payments. It's the same. What do I need? People wonder, what do I need? All you need is a computer, basically. You do need a computer, or you could do it on your phone if you want. We're going to send you a link, and with that link, you're going to be live with us for the 3 days, the 2 days, but you don't need anything else. Basically, you just need a computer or a phone or an iPad. Yes, you can do it on an iPad. What time does it start? That's a big thing because people are all over the world. Well, we got smart on that and we started at 11 a.m. Atlantic time. So you can check that time in your time zone. That may mean that some of you go from 7 to 2, and some of you will go from 11 to 5. We go from 11 to 5 Atlantic time each day. So we did that so that people who are out west can join in and you don't have to get up at 5 o'clock in the morning, you know. What do you need for the retreat? Well, you don't need any special supplies for the retreat. All you need is to just bring yourself and your rug hooking, and whatever you're hooking on right now is good. You can hook on it. If you want to, we have created 2 special kits for the retreat, and I'm going to teach one of them. For the retreat this year, I'm going to teach about outlining those rocky shores that I've been doing. I'm also going to teach about the importance of story and style in rug hooking. Is it only me teaching? No. We have about 8 or 10 guests throughout the weekend. I'm not sure how many. These are people whose work I'm interested in and I admire. Some of them are people I have never met, but they are all care about and love rug hooking. And what I want to happen is for us to get inspired with new ways of thinking about rug hooking, new ideas, new energy, and they will be sharing their ideas, their rugs, their techniques, and their joy in rug hooking. We're also going to be doing some dyeing in this year's retreat. If everything goes well with the weather, we're going to have some live guests here, and all our guests will be live. We have a few recorded videos, but if everything goes well with the weather, my friend Joanna Close is going to come, and we're going to do an indigo dye bath. People are wondering what the prizes are too. So I thought I would tell you something about that. Last year we gave away 2 Shedicamp frames, and we gave away like about $1,000. Besides that, about another $1,000 worth of gifts and prizes. And we have activities throughout the retreat where you can win and enter prizes. This year, I think we're going to give away a shopping spree at the studio that you can do either live or FaceTime. And I think we'll also have a Shedicamp frame as a special prize, plus other prizes of wool boxes, kits of the month, those sorts of things, fun things. So throughout the 2 days, we have lots of prizes, and we have a swag pack. That's a really important thing. And the swag pack, for you to get the swag pack, you have to register by, I think it's the 1st of next week, is it, Angela? The 14th of January?
13th.
13th of January, so that's next Monday, because we have to assemble the swag pack. And so that means that you get the workshop and all the literature and material about to work with us throughout the weekend. You get it in like real, hold in your hands, mail to you in the mail. But also we put in some special treats and gifts in that. And we have one special gift that we put in there that everybody has that they can wear during the retreat if they want. So that's the main questions I think answered. And this is how I feel about the retreat. it's about renewal. And you can see I'm sitting in kind of a new space here because I'm always in the process of renewal. This year I want to renew a lot of things in the studio and re-energize a lot of our courses. I want to imbue the studio with all the excitement and joy that comes with rug hooking, and renew the retreat starts me off on a good footing for that. And I feel that bringing people in together builds a sense of community, but it also builds a sense of excitement that we get to take back to our own lives and our own rug hooking. And you know, what you need for the retreat is the willingness to be with us for a couple of days, to find a room in your house that's quiet and cozy, to make sure that you've got a soup pot on and a good cup of tea, and that you have a computer, and you will, you will get inspired. We're posting a lot of the reviews that we had from last year, but this is the thing. I don't want you to take the Renew retreat if it's not right for you. I want you to take it if it's right for you, if it's the thing that you need, if it's the thing that's going to bring you joy. So I hope that it is, and I hope that you will join me this week so that we can send you our special swag pack and be part of Renew 2025, where we'll be thinking about story and style and rug hooking with very special guests. And I think that's the main questions answered. But if you have any more, just email me at info@hookingrugs.com. And let's get ready to renew. The Renew Retreat 2025, hookingrugs.com. I'm Deanne Fitzpatrick, and I hope to see you there.